Autoclaves are great examples of some of the most advanced medical technology that's widely accessible in the industry. This widespread accessibility offers a range of sterilization options for branches of the medical industry and beyond, like medical, dental, ophthalmology, veterinary, and even tattoo and piercing. But this widespread accessibility also comes at a cost: information. Not everyone who's tasked with purchasing an autoclave is completely knowledgeable on them. So in this video, we've gathered some common myths that people believe about autoclaves, and we'll give you the proper information to hopefully prevent this from happening to you. Myth 1. Do autoclaves clean instruments? There's a difference between cleaning and sterilization. Autoclaves do not clean things, they sterilize things. Sterilization is the process of killing microorganisms and all forms of microbial life from a surface. Cleaning is the process of physically removing dirt and debris using manual labor or other methods. Autoclaves are one of the later steps in the sterilization cycle, and the instruments are always washed and cleaned before entering an autoclave for sterilization. If you try to sterilize an instrument that hasn't been cleaned, the sterilization process can be compromised. Myth number 2. Is cold sterilization just as effective as autoclaving? Cold sterilization is a chemical sterilization process that involves immersing your instruments in a liquid chemical sterilant for a prolonged period of time. The problem is, it's not about being better than an autoclave. Cold sterilization is meant for materials that cannot be put in an autoclave, like heat-sensitive plastics, for example. So if you have items that can't be placed into an autoclave, then cold sterilization may be the way to go. But if you have instruments that can be put into an autoclave, always use the autoclave. Myth number 3. Do all autoclaves sterilize equally? Autoclaves are divided into classes, specifically Class S, Class N, and Class B. Each class utilizes a different sterilization method like pre-post vacuum or gravity displacement, or somewhere in between. Simple tools can be sterilized with any class, but for more intricate instruments with near invisible crevices that are ripe for bacteria to hide, you'll want a stronger method like pre-post vacuum that uses pressure and vacuum pulsing to push steam into those crevices and get everything out. So keep the various classes in mind when purchasing your autoclave. Myth number 4. Do autoclaves require minimal maintenance? Autoclaves are advanced machines with intricate parts that show wear and tear over time with all of the heat, moisture, and pressure they're put under every day. Autoclaves have daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly maintenance routines to ensure they're always in proper working order. Neglecting your autoclave maintenance can lead to errors, malfunctions, and costly damage. Myth number 5. Can you use tap water in an autoclave? Autoclaves are meant to sterilize your tools. Tap water is the complete opposite. To ensure maximum sterility, autoclaves only use distilled or demineralized water for sterilization cycles. Tap water also has the potential to cause damage like scaling or corrosion in the autoclave and its various parts. Myth number 6. Is overloading your autoclave more efficient? Autoclaves have strict loading procedures due to chamber capacity and tray weight limits on bigger tools. They must be loaded correctly to ensure proper sterilization. Overloading your autoclave chamber can compromise the sterilization entirely. The instruments are spaced out on purpose to ensure that there's a thorough sterilization path and to make sure that everything gets equally sterilized. So when loading, if you have trouble, consult your user manual for proper loading instructions. If you have any questions about any and all things autoclave, give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And if there's anything else you'd like to see from us, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, please don't forget to like and subscribe.